comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane.
Oh man, I almost forgot the most important part. Hello everybody! It is Dingle here and welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? I hope you all are doing super duper well. I'm doing super duper well because it is decorating day in our Seattle home. You guys saw the vlog where we decorated my family home back in Maine, but now we are back in Seattle and this place could use some holiday cheer. I've got my Olaf onesie on, aka my snowman onesie, so Christmas, you know. And Jack's about to put on Christmas music. But yeah, we are gonna go down into storage and get all of the boxes that we need to do that. Jack's gonna do some vacuuming to clean things up before we like put things everywhere or whatever. A final spruce, if she does so herself. I don't even remember what could be in these boxes, so I'm gonna go find some and we're gonna see what's up with that. What is not gonna be included in this vlog though, guys, is the Christmas tree. So if you wanna see Jack and I get our second year in a row in Seattle Christmas tree, head on over to that channel. It'll be linked in the description below. It's called Mac and Jack. That is our joint channel, that is our couples channel, and we're gonna be putting the vlog of where we get that Christmas tree and decorate it kind of over on that one. So if it's not already up, I apologize, but it will be. So subscribe, like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. All right, let's go get some boxes. Look at all those boxes, you guys. Oh my gosh, I am sweating. I'm starting to think this onesie was a bad idea, but I have too much Christmas spirit to think it was a bad idea. So, hey Bobby, are you excited?
Yeah.
Look at that. I'm so excited. Shall we? Alrighty.
How are we doing it?
Here we go, you guys. Hey,
Ready?
here we go, Bobby. Ah! It's Christmas!
La da 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 oh oh oh, la da 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 oh oh oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. Cause I missed you so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree, and I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh. gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh yeah, I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be?
Hello friends, it is the next day and I'm not entirely sure everything that we got on camera yesterday, but I guess I'll find out when I go to edit the video. Today is the day that we are going to get our Christmas trees. So I know we didn't get to a lot of lights around the apartment, so what we'll do is probably the lights and the decorating of the Christmas tree like all together tonight. To see that vlog, you're gonna have to go over to our vlog channel, Jack and I's vlog channel. It'll be linked in the description below, so go check that out for our vlog on getting our Christmas tree, our little photo shoot we're gonna do, and decorating the rest of the apartment. Head on over there, subscribe, and also subscribe here if you haven't already. Okay, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!
I just stopped recording. If you're having a good day, I'm happy. If you're having a bad day, remember that I love you